Hi everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2023 Chevy Trax and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how the headlight looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lens from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below, but with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the lens. So just apply Slip Solution to the headlight, and with a clean microfiber towel, remove any contaminants that the headlight may have. Okay, so we're going to start with the headlight first. So with this one, just apply Slip Solution to the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. And you can also start by applying tack solution around this area. That way we help the film start tacking down more faster with the tack solution. So place the film on the edge here. So we're going to align it right on the edge here. For right now, this part is not being covered because the hood will cover this section of the headlight. So we're only covering this outer piece here first. So apply tack solution underneath the film to help the adhesive activate faster, and then tack solution on top. Place it and use your squeegee to secure it and tack it down. And something you can do just to help the adhesive activate a little faster is applying heat around this area and then tacking it down once more with tack solution to help secure this film. Now that the film is secured, just finish off aligning the rest of the film until you reach to the other end. So we're just going to do a light stretch to reach it here, and we're going to apply tack solution to help it tack down. So lift the film, apply tack solution all over the headlight, place it back down, hold it in position, apply tack solution on top, and then start tagging it down to secure it. And don't forget to do a light stretch to reach it on the edge here, and then just help it tack down to secure it. And then you can also help the adhesive activate faster around this area by applying a little bit of heat. So in order to install the tint to this lens, we're going to start by applying tack solution to the lens around this curved area and tack solution to the adhesive side of the film. And we're going to start by aligning it right on the curve first. So align it on the curve. You can cover it up to the edge before it goes inside the bumper. So once you have it aligned here, we're going to tack it down to secure it. That way we can move on and stretching the film to this end and stretching it to align it to this end. So apply tack solution on top, grab your squeegee and tack it down. And once this is secured, we're going to stretch the film and have it tacked down here, and also stretch the film to have it tacked down here. So lift the film carefully, apply Slip Solution, and then stretch the film to reach to the corner edge here. And now the finger that we had here will disappear. So just hold it in position, apply tack solution. That way we're able to glide or squeegee and tack everything down and secure this section here. And we can apply a little bit of heat just to help remove the finger here. But first we need to finish this top section here. So just lift the film, apply Slip Solution in order to stretch it and align it to this edge. Just stretch the film, make sure this area is dry, that way you have better grip. Stretch the film going upward, and you should be good. And then just apply heat to help remove the fingers, and then we should be good. So the last thing to do once you finish with the installation for both lenses is to pulse heat the entire tint. So just apply Tack Solution to the tint. And we're going to use our heat gun and apply heat evenly throughout the entire film. That way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster. And also, if the film is still lifting around the edges, we will help it tack down with our microfiber towel. And it will also help remove any solution that's still trapped around the edges. So take your time applying heat to help activate the adhesive. And then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2023 Chevy Trax. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.